Hello everyone, welcome to my video number 5 of my unboxing series. Hope everyone's doing well. This is John with Shadows RC Farm. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Joskin Aerateur Scariflex. I got this from scalefarm.com. 1/32 scale. Show you how it's supposed to look, and then I also show some stuff back there before I get started. This too is going to be on my farm. Got the plow, my pickup. Gotta get back to this stuff, which is actually pretty cool. Hood opens up. Up, doors open, alarm sound, open up the doors. Both doors will open. Got in the back here stuff I'm working on for my farm. That's my little chibi of me that I made out of Sculpey clay. There's a shovel, a couple shovels I made, some tins that go in the water that holds the water back for when you irrigate. I have a bunch of those that I made. Some siphon tubes that I made. And they're all hollow so that water will go through them. So that's part of my diorama that I'm going to be building here soon. I'm still working on it. Tractor, remote control, but plugs into the tractor. There's the other one that I showed you last time. All right, let's do some unboxing here. Get this thing going. Also wanted to give a shout out. Thank you so much for everybody who's subscribed and those who've commented, likes, dislikes, shared it, posted it. Thank you to everybody there. I appreciate it, all that you have done. This is really, grab some scissors. Wow, that's pretty cool. I believe it's supposed to also be, it'll be metal and plastic as well. So let's see, let's put that down. Here's what it looks like. And this is supposed to work on the back of my truck, or my tractor as well, not my truck, my tractor. So let's take a look at this stuff. The hitches, this stuff. It's pretty well made. I like that. This is the aerator. All the stuff goes into the soil of the field. And what it does is it disrupts the soil, the upper soil part of your crop, your field, is to infiltrate the soil so that the water will pretty much so it doesn't run off of the dirt of the field, just to help to do better in watering it. I think these go down. Oh yeah, nice. That. That's pretty nice. I like that. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Remember last time I had a real hard time getting it to hook up. But maybe this be easier, but we'll see. Oh yeah. That's better. That works a little bit better. See what happens, huh? Let's see if we can get this to lift. Yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah, that was actually pretty good. I like that. So that actually worked better than this one. This one was actually harder. It was harder to get on for some reason. I don't know why, but it was. But yeah. So that's the aerator for my farm. These fold up. So if you ever get any of these, just to let you know, they're very, very brittle. So they're easy to break. Certain parts of them. That's what it's a hard time too, getting them off. But yeah. So that's my aerator for my field. So stay tuned also later on my next video, video number 6. I'm going to do a build video for you guys and gals. I'm going to build that single bay shed that I showed you in the last video. We'll get that built. I'm going to actually show it, how I build it. It's not that too complicated, but I figured I'll show it to you all, how to do it. And if I make a mistake, then you'll know, don't do it that way. But I hope everybody's well. Everybody take care and enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment. Let me know what you think. All right, everybody take care. Bye.